Hey everyone, welcome back to Inkmatic. In this video, I will be talking about the results on the recent election, how this has impacted my portfolio. First of all, let's go through the overall value of my Trading 212 portfolio. Value is at £1,834.66. The return at the moment is at 3.92%. That's £69.13. The reason why it's quite low is some of my international stocks have dropped in value. Specifically, this video is talking about the number of stocks that have risen post-election results. So diving on, first one is Barrett. Barrett is doing pretty well. As you can see, over the last day, it's up 13.91%. which is amazing. That's up 93.2p from the previous day. This is definitely one of the stocks that I wish I had invested a little bit more. I know I've been saying that over the last few videos, but I think I was being a bit too strong on my overall position on this. Like, I was quite strict on it's this amount and I'm not paying any more than that, whereas I should have just purchased them. Even if I purchased them the day before at £6.59, I still would have seen a £1 increase. So that was a missed opportunity on my part, but what can you do? You can't really predict the market 100%. BT is another one that has seen a massive increase. So this has increased by 6.33%. I think this is mainly because Conservatives have the majority now and won the election, and there was fears that the Labour Party was going to buy a section of BT. So now that has been squashed. Stock's doing pretty good, to be honest. Moving down, next one is Direct Line. Where is Direct Line? Here we are. Direct Line's seen a massive increase. It's seen a 4.49 increase over the previous day before the election, or well, on election day, I guess, which I'm pretty happy with. I've got 100 shares and I've up £41.37, which is decent. Next one I want to talk about is Drax Group. So I started buying this pretty late. I actually got it quite recently, to be honest. In the last day, it's up 5.74%. That's 17p per share up. I have 15 shares and I'm up 13.73%. So this is something that, in terms of long term, that I do want to build my position in this. I believe they are a good dividend payer, around the 5% mark. Moving further down, Lloyds. Where's Lloyds? Here. So Lloyds is up massively again. Looking at the previous day, it's up 5.38%, which is pretty decent. And if we look on the week, it's still up 4.95, but you can see here that it was at 61.12p, and then it hit like 66p like on the peak of when the markets opened. So again, this is doing pretty well. I've got 16 shares. I'm up 15.97%. That's £1.42p. On my Trading 212 portfolio, it is a lot smaller than the Freetrade one. So I am looking to increase my position in this, but at the moment I believe Lloyds Banking Group is a bit pricey at this current price. So looking for opportunities down the road. New River REIT is also doing pretty well. It's up 4.49%, which is awesome. I've got 170 shares. I have sold 15 shares. So if we look at the history, I sold 10 shares yesterday. Just because I thought it was a good price and I thought I'd sell a little bit and buy them back at a cheaper price. Page Group is another one that's done amazing. So if we look at the one day, it is actually up 6.49%, and I've actually sold 3 shares on this. So I've kind of like reduced my position in this. I am planning to sell another 3 if it hits the £5.30 mark. So yeah, that is pretty good. I've got 6 shares at the moment. I'm up 26.93%. That's £6.62p. Redrow is the last one that I'm going to talk about, and this has done pretty well as well. It's up 2.62%, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm up 15.94% overall on 4 shares. I'm up £3.86p. So that is it for this week's update. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, like it, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think or what I should start considering to sell. What is a good price, because it's going up now, and I think potentially I need to start looking at selling some shares because they are at a good price to sell. So I might sell maybe like half my position moving into 2020. But yeah, that's pretty much it. What else do I want to talk about? I have sold some shares. So I've closed my position in WPP as well because I felt like it's a good price to sell at. I sold them at £10.15 each, just because I feel like I think it's a bit pricey for them now, and I feel like there's a lot of competition in their market and they are probably going to start slipping a bit. And that is it, basically. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you're interested in trying any of these platforms, please use my referral links. They do help out a lot. You will get a free share from those platforms, and I will get one too. See you in the next video.